What's up everybody, this is Derek here and welcome to another quick unboxing video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Western Digital laptop 1TB hard drive. This is part of Western Digital's Blue lineup, which is their everyday storage lineup. It's their basic hard drive. It's 5400 RPM instead of 7200. So what that means is it's definitely not going to be as quick as a Western Digital black drive, which is their 7200 RPM line, or one of their solid state drives. But just want to do a quick unboxing. This is actually going to go in a laptop that I'm building for someone, so they just wanted a solid state drive as their boot drive, and then they wanted just a standard slower storage drive for backing up, like running Windows backup and then backing up some files and putting some larger files on that. So take a look real quick here. Cloning. Western Digital includes free cloning software. You have to download it off their site, but it's a good idea if you're migrating over from another drive. And they're advertising, because it's a 5400 RPM drive, it's not going to draw as much power, and it's also going to be quieter than a faster drive. So they're advertising cool, quiet operation and low power consumption. It's saying ideal for upgrading laptop storage, web office computing, and photo and video editing. I'd really recommend a solid state if you're going to be doing video editing or working with large files, just because it's so much quicker and the prices are so cheap these days versus where they were a few years ago. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. So let's go ahead here, and you can see right here it says contents. That's it. It's a 3 gigabit per second, so that's SATA 2 speeds. And we will take a look. There we go. At what's included. So you can see it's very well packed, and that's because they don't want any, there we go, any issues. So here's the drive. Like I said, it's very shock resistant packaging, which is good because it is a mechanical drive. And that's it. Let's say we'll take a look real quick in the box. Okay, we've got this technical support warranty guide, and it's a lot of really small text. And other than that, I just see the drive. So pop that out of there like that, and here is the drive. Here's the other side of it. You can see there's a silica packet there to keep the drive dry, and it's in an anti-static bag, which is sealed, so that's good. Other than that, you're going to be responsible for your own screws or mounting hardware, so just keep that in mind. This is a drive that's great for upgrading an existing drive, or if you're going to be putting it into a new installation, then make sure that you have that hardware, because if you're upgrading, you can reuse it because the screw sizes are standard. But if this is a new drive, just know that I do not see them anywhere. It didn't say that it included them, so I'll annotate it if I'm wrong. However, at this point, I believe that you need to supply your own hardware. So again, a real quick look at what's in the box. This is a Western Digital Blue Series drive. It's a 1TB. They make a ton of different capacities, but this was, let's say this was more than enough storage for the use case, and it's fast enough for what we want to use it for, and it's cheap, so it doesn't get better than that. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to it, and I enjoy posting this sort of tech content. So hopefully I'll see you in a new video soon.